Today's music is from C to G for both hands. And your both hands don't have the same movement. Let's see the music first. You put both hands on C and G. Let's see the first part, when your right hand has a melody. This is a melody. So let's say the name. C, E, F, G, F, E, C, D, E, C. Try again. C, E, F, G, F, E, C, D, E, C. Try two more times. C, E, F, G, F, E, C, D, E, C. One more time. C, E, F, G, F, E, C, D, E, C. On this right hand, left hand is coming C and G. Let's see how your both hands match together. First, your both hands play C. G and G, C and C. So when your right hand plays C, left hand also plays C. When your right hand plays G, your left hand also plays G. So let's see the both hands again. Try together. One more time. Good, and let's move the second part. That means your left hand has a melody. Right hand stays on C, left hand plays C, E, G, C. Let's see it together. Can you try with me? Both hands are on C. Left hand moves C, E, G, C. Let's play together. Again. Let's go one more time. Can we play through from the beginning? Right hand has a melody. Left hand has a melody. Let's play two more times. One more.